Alright guys, so make sure you're scrolling down, you've scrolled down in your workspace to number 3, define interactivity. And in this particular little tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set the scroll height for your screen. So if you think about a phone, right, and you've got an app or Spotify or whatever it is, you can scroll with your thumb, okay? And so that implies that there's content below the scroll, and we need to set that up. So that's what the aim of this is. So what I want you to do for first of all, to see what I'm talking about, make sure you're in the design tab, make sure you've got your selection tool selected. I want you to click on this first artboard here, Gante collection, and hit play. Now what you can see is we're getting a preview of the entire artboard as it's seen here. So there's no scrolling there. There's no scrolling at all. So we need to set that up. So close that one. Then what we're going to do is select it again, and we're going to set our scrolling from none. Yours will be none. Mine was already set to vertical, but it'll be set to none. I want you to click vertical. Okay. Then we have what's called a viewport height here, which is saying how tall is our screen for our device. Now, if you have an iPhone 8, that's going to be a little bit different to an iPhone 14 or whatever. So for this particular one, what I want you to do is set it to 812 pixels. Now you can see when I click the artboard, we've got this dotted little line here. So if I was to grab this, and I can grab that, and you can see that that number is changing. So the height of the screen is changing. So what that is saying, I'm going to hit Command Z to undo it, back to 812. So what that is saying is this amount of content will be shown on the screen, and then you will need to scroll downwards to view this content down here. So now that we've set that up, let's do a quick test and make sure that's working. Hit the play button, and there you go. You can see that the dotted line is indicating where the scroll is. And if I just click and scroll down, I can scroll down to view this other content there. All right, guys, that is it for this one. Hit Command S, and I will see you in the next one where you are going to do some final little touches on this particular app prototype here. Thanks, guys.